Hi everybody, this is Scott with Tours of Cleveland. Just wanted to share some exciting news with you. We will be reopening starting Tuesday, May 26th. We are very excited to get back out on the streets and share our love with the city with you. Now I do want to talk about two things. One, some changes that we have made to our tours to help keep you guys as well as ourselves safe, and also how you can book your tour. So first of all, we have reduced our group sizes of our tours down to 6. So that will be the maximum per tour. This will allow for us to better social distance. And as far as mask, I will definitely be wearing a mask. I strongly encourage you guys to wear a mask as well. Now, our tour, the Cleveland, our Downtown Highlights tour, does offer inside and outside stops. We've made a few tweaks based on what is open and what is not, although the majority of the things are open. Now, it is not the case at the moment that these particular buildings do require a mask to enter, but just in case, things change all the time with what's going on, please be aware of that as well, that you may need a mask to enter a certain building. Again, not the case at the moment. Now, how to book a tour? Well, you go to our website, toursofcleveland.com, and you can book our tour. They are available now. We are offering the Downtown Highlights tour pretty much every single day. If you don't see a time that works for you, feel free to contact us, and if I can accommodate that, I certainly will. We are really excited to get back out there. I'm sure some of you just want to get outside, go for a walk, and maybe learn something too about our great city. Now, if you have kids and are looking for something maybe educational, our tours are really middle school and up. I think do well on the tours. And if you want to learn, again, some history about downtown Cleveland and all the wonderful things that the city has to share, please consider doing that. Again, toursofcleveland.com to book your tour, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Stay safe. Thank you.